Hello guys, welcome. Oh my god, baby. Bienvenidos to my channel. Bienvenidos to a diva's universe. So in today's video guys, I wanted to communicate in this video that on this channel I will no longer be doing any Papiamento videos anymore. All the Papiamento videos that I will be having on this channel will be in a playlist called Papiamento, and you can always access those videos and check them out. But from now on, I'm gonna have a separate channel specifically to talk in Papiamento, because I want to keep both of these channels separate, and I want to keep both of these languages separate. So the topic on both of these channels are going to be basically the same, just one is in English for my English speaking audience, and the other one is in Papiamento for my, mi Antillano na hinanagot Papiamento, or like honestly not even Antillano, because sometimes Portuguese is be understanding, people from Cabo, like people from all over the world. Like, I'm surprised and I love it. So I wanted to make that clear, so I'm gonna link the channel below, so go ahead and subscribe, support your girl, because we're gonna be talking about money, mental attitudes, spiritual development, like just personal development. I love all of this shit. Like, this is what I love. I am obsessed with this shit. So everything in regards of that will be on this channel, on that channel. And on this channel I'm gonna have more my vlogs here, and also my creative processes, like my creative stuff that I be doing, because it's a lot, honey, and I have a few things coming up which I'm super excited to share with you guys. And I will keep all of that in this channel, because part of the diva universe is the creativity, honey. Is like being creative, having fun, talking about money, about success, about personal development, about doing the hard things and making it happen, changing perspective, changing the way that you think, changing everything in your favor, because that's what I'm all about. That's what we do, that's how I do, and that's how we move. So I'm super excited. I just wanted to clarify that and just announce that, so you guys know that this channel will have no more Papiamento videos. And if you're interested, I have my channel, my new channel, linked down below, so go and check it out. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Bye.